The Chief Justice of India has slammed the Delhi government for opening of schools. Even as Delhi continues to breathe hazardous air, the air quality remains in very severe or very poor category and has been so in the last couple of days. We will appoint an authority to run your government. That's what the Chief Justice of India has now told the Delhi government lawyer Abhishek Manu Singhvi. Some scathing observations there coming to the fore against the Aam Aadmi Party government here in Delhi. Legal editor Harish Nair with me for more on this. Harish, the Supreme Court has come down extremely heavily on the Delhi government.
Yes, that's right, Poonam. The Supreme Court has slammed, the Chief Justice bench has slammed the Delhi government for opening the schools when pollution level is extreme in the city, when people are working from home, then why children are being forced to go to school. The bench even went on to the level of saying that we may have to appoint an authority to run your government. Such scathing observations. So Chief Justice told Abhishek Manu Singhvi, we had taken your statements to be true. We always hoped you will implement everything. You had said we are ready to implement lockdown. Schools will be closed, colleges will be closed. But we are seeing that very small children, 3 years, 4 years, students are going to school in this heavy smog early in the morning. AQI levels have shot more than 400. We are watching. Schools are working. If we want an order, we will issue an order. We will appoint an authority to run your government. We are concerned that our directions are not being implemented. So very, very scathing observations coming in from the Chief Justice bench, asking Abhishek Manu Singhvi, who has appeared for Delhi government, why when the pollution level is extreme, small kids are being forced to go to school, when office goers are working from home. And so right now Abhishek Manu Singhvi is responding that the government is taking every measure to ensure that all directions given by Supreme Court are implemented in the right spirit. But Supreme Court has once again said that we are watching each and every step you are taking. If you want an order, we will issue orders. If you can't implement the directions given by the Commission for Air Quality Management in the meeting, we will be forced to issue orders. We may even appoint an authority to run your government. So very, very serious observations, very scathing observations coming in from the Chief Justice, and even now the hearing is on.
Right, the hearing is still on, but for now it looks like the CJI is not buying the argument that the Delhi government is making, at least as far as endangering the lives of our children is concerned, Harish. But the Delhi government has also been trying to put onus on the central government, and as far as the construction of Central Vista is concerned, as one of the major reasons that contributes to pollution in Delhi.
Yes, in fact, this issue was raised by senior advocate Vikas Singh, who has appeared for the petitioner and not the Delhi government. Vikas Singh had said when the Supreme Court had reimposed a ban on the construction of Central Vista, why the work is still going on. This work is raising a lot of dust in central Delhi. But remember, the centre in a very significant affidavit yesterday has told the Supreme Court that all other constructions being carried out by CPW has been stopped, but this work is not being stopped because it's a project of national importance, and all the rules meant for demolition and construction waste management are being followed. There are enough number of sprinklers, there are enough number of anti-smog guns, and all the construction material is being kept in a wet condition to ensure minimum pollution. So Centre has stoutly defended the construction. And
the blame game between the Centre and the Delhi government continues, but do keep a track of what transpires in the hearing. For the moment, Harish, thank you so much.